Right now, your Windows PC might be exposed, and you wouldn't even know it. No warning, no pop-up, no alert, just one weak setting, and malware can walk straight in. And here's the part most people don't realize. Even if your antivirus says you're protected, that doesn't mean your system is fully secure, because Windows, by default, is optimized for convenience, not maximum protection. Now, this won't make your PC 100% unhackable, but these settings will block most common attacks and make your system significantly harder to compromise. In this video, I'll show you 6 critical settings to properly harden your Windows security. Let's lock it down, step by step. Step 1. Account Lockout Threshold. By default, Windows allows unlimited password attempts. That means an automated script can try thousands of combinations in seconds. But this one command changes everything. Open command prompt as administrator, then type netaccounts/lockoutthreshold:5. Now, after 5 failed attempts, the account gets locked for 30 minutes. This shuts down brute force attacks almost instantly. Step 2. Memory integrity. Now, we go deeper into system-level protection. Open Windows Security. You go to Device Security, then Core Isolation, and turn on Memory Integrity. This creates a secure environment for your system's most critical processes, so even advanced malware can't inject code into them. It's one of the most effective defenses against modern attacks. Step 3. Tamper protection. Malware doesn't just attack your files, it tries to disable your antivirus first. Go to Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, Manage Settings, and turn on Tamper Protection. This locks your security settings, so even with admin-level access, malware can't turn your protection off. Step 4. SmartScreen and Reputation Protection. Most infections don't come from hacking, they come from user actions, fake downloads, phishing links, unsafe apps. Go to App and Browser Control, then Reputation-Based Protection, and turn on all options. This blocks suspicious files and websites before they even run. Step 5. User account control. Search for USC and set the slider to default or higher. Whenever something tries to change your system, you'll get a permission prompt. If you didn't trigger anything and a prompt suddenly appears, that's a warning sign. Click No, and you may have just stopped an attack. Step 6. Firewall. Open Windows Security. Go to Firewall and Network Protection. Make sure all networks are turned on. Your firewall controls incoming and outgoing traffic. If it's turned off, even for a moment, your system can be exposed to network-based threats. This is your first line of defense before anything reaches your PC. Security isn't about one setting, it's about layers working together. And with these 6 changes, you've reduced your risk significantly and closed many common entry points. If this helped you, hit like, and for more practical tech tips, subscribe to Tech Solution. Stay secure, stay optimized, and I'll see you in the next one.